Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a side flip on a trampoline for beginners. Alright, so for the first thing, I'm going to show you a progression that helps everyone for side flips. So probably you're trying a side flip and it's like turning into like a weird side flip front flip kind of thing. That probably looks like this if you're first trying it. So this drill helps tremendously with side flips. So what you're going to do, first of all, you need to figure out which way feels more comfortable to do side flips, starting with your right hand in front or your left hand. So does this feel more comfortable doing a side flip or this? So once you figure that out, this is what you're going to do. So stand sideways on the tramp, and basically you're just going to do this. Okay, pretty simple, right? Just stand here, roll over sideways basically, and do that. Once you get comfortable with that, once you can do it like no problem, it kind of looks weird, but you can start doing like fully kind of rotating but landing on your side. So like that, just to like, I don't know, get the feeling of a side flip. So yeah, once you can do that, it's easy. You got like, you feel good with the side flip. You can start off jumping, not too high, but a decent height. And then what you're gonna do for the set is I usually have one arm up like this, and then I go up first. You don't want to go out. You're gonna fly off the trampoline and you're not gonna have good height and it's gonna look bad. So basically, jump up, have whatever side you start with, have that arm up, and you're gonna just, and for the tuck, you can either tuck under or over. I like to tuck under for side flips. It just feels more comfortable. I also tuck over for like ground flips sometimes, so it's whatever you prefer. So yeah, jump up, side flip. It's a pretty simple trick to learn. You just have to practice, and yeah. So yeah. So thanks for watching guys. That's how to do a side flip on a trampoline for beginners.
Thank you so much for watching. I wanted to talk about suicide, and I want to tell you that you're worth dying for. Somebody loves you enough to die for you, and you were made with a purpose. You're not an accident. So Jesus loves you, and yeah, your life is worth something, and you're made with a purpose.